Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete Twitter or X account permanently. Let's get started. First, open your X app in your phone and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. And here, scroll down and select Settings and Support. Now, tap Settings and Privacy and here tap your account and select Deactivate your account. Read the information and tap Deactivate at the bottom. You can enter the password to confirm, then tap Deactivate account. After the activation, your account is first disabled for 30 days. If you don't log back in during this time, it will be deleted permanently. And that's it. Your Twitter or X account will be gone forever after the 30-day deactivation period. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.